Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the products that shape our beauty routines and leave a lasting impact. Today, we're looking at a powerhouse duo that promises to restore and rejuvenate. The Alterna Haircare CAVIAR Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner Set. With sulfate-free formulations designed for dry, curly, and straight hair, let's see if it lives up to the hype. Now let's talk about what makes this duo stand out. First off, these products are sulfate-free, which is always a win if you're trying to keep your hair healthy and moisturized without harsh chemicals. The shampoo works to replenish moisture, while the conditioner locks it in for that soft, shiny finish we all crave. The main promise here is hydration, ideal for anyone struggling with dry strands or frizz. I tried the set for a couple of weeks, and it was clear that the hydrating effects were immediate. The shampoo lathers well without being overly foamy, which is a good sign that it's not stripping the hair of natural oils. As for the conditioner, it's creamy and provides a smooth slip, which made it easy to detangle my hair. An essential step for those of us dealing with curls or unruly hair types. The real test came when I wore my hair for a few days straight after washing. I noticed a significant improvement in how soft and shiny my hair looked. Even on day 3, the moisture was sealed in, and my strands didn't feel weighed down by product buildup. Now, onto the pros and cons. Let's start with the good stuff. The formulation is free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, which makes it a more gentle option compared to other shampoos out there. It really helped with my dry ends, restoring softness and shine without making my hair greasy. Another highlight is the pleasant scent. It's not overpowering, but it lingers just enough to remind you of how fresh your hair feels. On the flip side, the price point might be a little steep for some, especially if you're on a budget. While I absolutely loved how hydrated my hair felt, you can find alternatives that are just as effective without breaking the bank. Also, if you're someone who enjoys a more intense fragrance, you might find this scent a bit too subtle. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the quality justifies the price. These products are definitely luxurious and deliver on their promise to hydrate and nourish. But you might need to shop around for sales if you want to make this an ongoing part of your routine without stretching your budget too much. There are definitely other great products in this category that you might want to consider if price is a big factor for you. For example, Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Shampoo and Conditioner are great alternatives for similar hydration at a lower price. Overall, the Alterna Haircare CAVIAR Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner Set is a solid choice if you're looking for something sulfate-free that truly works to hydrate and rejuvenate dry hair. If you're willing to splurge a bit, it'll give you that smooth, shiny finish. But if you're watching your wallet, there are comparable options that could work just as well. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.